Welcome back, AutoCAD for Technician students. In a previous video you learned how to set up dimension styles and set up your sizing based on the sizing of your drawing. I want to show you some best practices in dimensioning and annotation, or annotation meaning labeling. So some best practices, as you can see, this is actually a drawing from Learning Plan 5 Part 2. You can see I have some dimensions here. I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Notice how these lines are continuous across here. So that's one thing it's a pet peeve of mine, I guess. Sometimes you'll see people try to eyeball these drawings or these dimensions across here. What I'm going to show you is how to make them go completely across. Okay, so I'm going to delete these here. Okay, so you can see we have an overall length of 50 feet here. And I want to make a dimension. Okay, that's 6 inches there. Now what I want to do is, where is it? Annotate, dimension. I want to continue. And look, see, it continues from where I was, and it makes a straight line, makes the dimension straight across. Now I have to zoom out because my compass over there is getting in the way. So I want a dimension to here, and then I want a dimension to there. I want a dimension to there, and now to the end of the building. Okay, so that's how you make a continuous dimension across. It's just the best practice so it looks nice. Okay, does it serve any purpose besides looking nice? Not really. Makes it easier to read straight across. You know that this is 6 inches, this is 39 feet, and it's just straight across. So you know it's measuring the same type of things all the way across. Okay, and now for annotation. Annotation is kind of funny, and dimensioning is kind of funny too, based on the size of your drawing. So if, say I want to make a multi-line text. Okay, so I type my thing in there. Where'd it go? It's itty bitty little guy. Okay, look at my size. I drew it as a 0.2 text. Okay, it's pretty small. If I go and look at the properties of this text, so right click on it, quick properties, text height is 5. So it's quite a bit larger. Okay, so what I want to do, click on this, quick properties. Okay. So be careful when you're making large drawings on your text size. Same thing applies to your dimensions. Okay. So sometimes you can manually go in there and change the size. Okay, otherwise watch the video before on dimension styles. They show you how to change it based on scaling and things like that. So be aware of that. If your text is too small, that means your drawing is just too large for the text size that you have. So you can actually change the properties of it and make it large enough to see. And oftentimes this is just you keep changing the size until, oh, that looks good. Okay. So that should be it for dimensioning and annotation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your instructor. Thank you. Happy drawing.